Hey everyone, I'm Jessica, the young adult librarian at the West Chicago Public Library. Welcome back for week 3 of our 2021 Lincoln Award winner book talks. Today's book is Hey Kiddo by Jarrett Krasaska. Jarrett's mother, Leslie, is a heroin addict, though he doesn't know it until later in his childhood, so Jarrett's grandparents, Joe and Stroll, step in to raise him as she's incarcerated or in rehab for most of his life. His father is also absent, and up until the 6th grade, he didn't even know the man's first name. At 17, Krasaska writes to him to ask about possible half siblings, and a relationship develops. The contradictions prevalent in his childhood will resonate with the readers who have experienced addiction and educate those who have not. Yes, there is chaos, but there is also warmth. Seen, for example, when Krasaska's mom fakes his birthday for an impromptu party at a fast food chain, or in the way that his grandfather never misses an opportunity to tell him that he is loved. Krasaska learns self-reliance as a survival strategy. He also learns to express himself through art. Pieces from the Krasaska family's past are placed into the story, such as artwork and letters, and even the pineapple wallpaper from his grandparents' home is included between chapters. Krasaska's artwork is descriptive in a way that words couldn't be. Before we go, I'd like to give everyone a friendly reminder to respond to the 2020 census. Please note that no one should be afraid to respond to the census. It is safe and confidential. If you live in West Chicago, you should be counted too. For more information about your library or the census, please send us your queries. We want to help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back on Friday for our next Lincoln Award winner book talk.